Hello guys, welcome back to Crafting with LMB. Today I'm so excited. I know I haven't done a video. I have done videos, I just haven't edited them and I haven't put them up just because I didn't like how the product finished. Yes, I am super hard on myself, like super hard. I should stop, but because I actually want to show you guys how I do them, how it comes out, so you guys could do it better, right? Is that how it makes totally sense? Anyway, so we're almost gonna hit 100 subscribers. Yay, I'm so excited. Anyway, what I'm gonna show you guys, I just barely got. I'm going to open it with you guys, and we might just do a shirt for me because I've been wanting a spooky vibes shirt. I am so excited for Halloween. So we're gonna do that. Let me tell you guys, I have never done screen printing. I've seen videos. I follow a couple Instagram influencers that do this kind of stuff and it looks pretty cool. So here I am doing it with you guys. I bought a whole kit on Amazon. I'll be leaving everything in the description bar for you guys. I bought this whole kit. I'm sure it has everything. And then I bought some ink at Amazon as well. I got the Speedball ink. I got 2 white ones and 1 black. Halloween is coming up, so a lot of shirts are darker, so went with more white. Just for right now at this point. We're gonna unbox this and then I'll show you guys how we're gonna get done. Oh, and then you're gonna need your shirt, your design software, whatever you're gonna use, and your cutting machine as well. We're gonna be using CRICUT, CRICUT 2. That's the one I have. But yeah, let me show you guys the shirt that I want to do. I'm not sure, both of these are my size, so I'm not sure which one I should put spooky vibes. I like the beige one, and then I like the green one. I've been loving the green color lately, so I'm not sure which one should I use. I think I'll go with the beige just because I want it to look clean and just spooky. I do have the words already. I bought those. I bought it on Etsy. Most of my fonts and designs are from Etsy. I'll be leaving everything in the description bar for you guys. But with that said, let's open this box and begin. Okay, so this box comes with the big squeegee type of thing. Oh, it's open. That's how you slide down the whole thing. And then you have some gloves, some tape, more of this thing, probably, and then this one to just scrape. I'm sure you use everything for the same reason. It has a spatula for the paint, some wood sticks, and then you have different spring sizes. I'm not sure what sizes these are, but this is how they look. I'm sure you're able to do these at home. It's just easier for me. I already have 100 things to do, so and then it comes with this also, and this is cut your thing, and you could always use vinyl also, like permanent vinyl or stencil, but a lot of people do recommend permanent vinyl to use with this. It comes with your booklet, just like that. I think we're gonna use this. This is this one. Let's use this one. Doesn't say the size either. So right now what I'm doing is just adding on placemat my stencil. I'm using stencil I do have a big roll of it. Super cheap. I got it on Amazon. So that's what we're going to be using. And then remember, you always want to, yes, remember you always want to mirror it just because it is going to be stencil. I already have it down in the computer. I'm going to just turn the printer on, which I did. So we're going to put make. We're going to put mirror. And we're going to sit down and start. Okay. It has to go like this. You're gonna flip it, it's gonna be upside down. So yes, it has to be mirrored. Just because you don't want to put this part over here where you're scraping it off or in or out, just because it will, like the words could come off or something like that. So we're gonna do this again and I'll show you guys in a bit how we do it. I don't know if we're gonna need this one. Maybe it might be perfect enough. So I'll do this again, and so sorry guys. Let's do this. Alright guys, so right now it's not, I have a cardboard under. Definitely, there we go, a little better. It's gonna, I'm actually kind of scared just because I never done this. I'm doing it with you guys, so if you guys know how to do this, and if I did something wrong, please let me know, because I'm learning as well. This is why I do the mistakes and you guys do it better, and let me know how it came out. Okay, I have that there. We're gonna, it keeps going up. Hold on. But, oh well, it's there. Okay, now we're gonna do the black one. I've never done this before, so here we go. Oh, you guys are gonna die. Hold on. We have it here. Now all I'm gonna do is the painting stuff. I don't want to get the shirt dirty, so I'm gonna open it on this side. Oh wow, now that looks really satisfying. Okay, I think we could do the one that's on the paper here. We're gonna place it down. Okay, and then you're just gonna wanna eyeball it. You don't have to eyeball it. It's gonna be 2 to 3 fingers. If you do that through here, and of course you have this one, so it'll be a little lower. Make sure that's on the right spot. You could always use your measuring tape. Make sure everything's on the right spot. That's 4 and 4.5. Let's push it a little. Okay, I think we're good. just about the same. So I'm kind of scared here. This is the first time, like I told you guys, let's do this. I'm gonna ruin a perfectly good shirt for sure. I'm gonna place some. Whoops! I'm about to ruin everything. Okay, just place it wherever you want to start. You don't have to put a lot either. It all depends on how big the project is, I'm sure. I'm gonna be placing some here. Okay. And does it look? All right, we're just gonna go for it. Just put some more. Hold on. Yes? Yeah, give me a second.
What are you doing?
I'm painting a shirt.
Paint my shirt?
Painting a shirt.
Oh.
And then we have a little bit left, not a lot. And I did put fair amount. And then I'm just gonna bring it right up before it dries. Oh my god, that is amazing. Oh god. Oh, I'm in love. What the heck? Oh my gosh, on sale ASAP. But that is so cool. Oh my gosh. Do you guys look how amazing this is? I'm gonna let it dry. I cannot. Alright guys, so this is the finish. I'm in love how it came out. Look at that. I've been wanting a shirt like this, but I think it's going to sell. So I can never keep anything for myself just because people like it, so they order stuff right away. I don't get a lot of orders. Every time I do something new, I do get a couple orders of that and then it slows down again. But anyway, this is how it came out. I am so in love with this. We could do just a close-up for you guys, so we could stretch it out and you could still see that it's good. I am going to just pack this and send it. Thank you so much for staying with me, and thank you so much for learning with me today. This was a really exciting video just because I was scared to ruin a shirt. This is the Bella canvas ones. They're a little bit more on the expensive side, but it was all worth it. This came out super nice. I am so glad I got this in video. I was not gonna do a video, but I was like, I need to learn how to do this and show you guys how I did it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you guys haven't, and thank you guys so much for crafting with me. And until the next crafting video, thank you so much. Bye.